There exists a wide variety of oils, each possessing unique benefits and applications. Let me present a selection of oils alongside their respective advantages. Olive oil. Renowned for its heart-healthy properties, olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. It also contains antioxidants that contribute to overall well-being. Coconut oil. With its high smoke point, coconut oil is ideal for cooking at high temperatures. Additionally, it has antimicrobial properties and is often utilized in skincare and haircare routines. Lavender oil. Known for its calming aroma, lavender oil is frequently used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and alleviate stress. It can also assist with sleep troubles and enhance mood. Tea tree oil. Recognized for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, tea tree oil is often applied topically to treat acne, skin infections, and other skin-related conditions. Fish oil. Derived from fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, fish oil is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. It promotes heart health, aids in reducing inflammation, and supports brain function. Jojoba oil. Frequently used in skincare products, jojoba oil closely resembles the natural oils produced by our skin. It moisturizes effectively, helps control oil production, and can be beneficial for various skin types. Avocado oil. Packed with healthy monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, avocado oil supports cardiovascular health and may contribute to lowering cholesterol levels. It also possesses skin-nourishing properties. Remember, these are just a few examples among the diverse range of oils available, each offering its own distinct advantages and applications.